Hey everybody, what's up and welcome back to today's video guys. And today guys, I'm going to go ahead and be showing you how to layer images in Pixlr. This is a very simple thing to do guys, so make sure to watch this quick and easy video till the very end, follow my steps correctly so you can make sure this works the same for you and that you can do this yourself. But yeah guys, let's get straight into it. So the first thing you want to do is go ahead and open up the official Pixlr website right here, pixlr.com if you haven't already, and after opening it up you'll be greeted by this main page right here, which is the homepage of the Pixlr website, where in the upper right corner we can get started logging into our account. So if you do not already have an account, just go ahead and create a new one, and after logging in you'll be greeted by this main page right here where we can get started opening up the photo editor. So let's go ahead and open up the photo editor by clicking on it right here, and after opening up you can get started with opening up the image that you want to layer with. So go ahead and open up the images. I already have them right here. So here's my image, and now after opening it up, it's going to open it up in this editor menu where in the left side of the screen we can see the toolbar with all the options we can use, like arrange, crop, cutout, and so on. So let's go ahead and see how to get started with layering our image. So basically guys, the layers option is right here on the right side of the screen. If you cannot see it, that's because it's minimized, so you want to go ahead and maximize the layer option, and after opening it up you can now see that we can see our image right here, which is the first layer, and we have the background as well as the option to add multiple layers. So guys, if you want to get started with layering, you want to click the plus button, and this is now going to enable you to add a new layer, which we can add an empty layer, image that we want to use as a layer frame, and so on. Basically guys, after adding your image, it's going to appear right here, and now you can get started with layering, putting whatever layer you want before the other one and so on, so that you can use it however you want. But yeah guys, basically that is how to do it. So I hope this video was helpful. If it was, make sure to leave a like, subscribe to the channel. So you guys, thanks for watching, take care, and bye.